In the previous video, I was showing you how we can deploy the ORDS on all the three deployments, that is Standalone, Tomcat and WebLogic. Now I will show you how we can change their ports with a very minor downtime. So let me add all the URLs that I have previously shown you how we can deploy the ODS on Standalone, Tomcat and WebLogic, and then we will change their ports step by step. You can see my Standalone server is on 8080 and Tomcat is on 9090 and WebLogic is on 7001. So I will change the port according to this. For Standalone it will be 8081, Tomcat 9091 and WebLogic 7043. So for Standalone, let me go to the folder of ORDS and open this config folder, global, and edit our setting. Here you can see this 8080 port. We will make it 8081 as I have shown on this. Let me add the steps quickly. So you can see we just open the server.xml file and change our port. Then quickly restart the server. You can see a valid ORDS home is loaded and our port is changed. So if now I refresh my page with 8080, my Standalone ORDS is not loading. If I check it with 8081, it gets started. For the Tomcat, I have to go to the Tomcat config folder, and here I will open the file server.xml, and here I will search the port number. That is, my previous port is 9090. If you can't find it with the search, just go to this connector port, and here you can add the change port number. In our case it is 9091. I will save this file and I will restart my Tomcat server. I have added the step quickly. On this CMD window my Tomcat is running. I will shut down it. About 1990 is not more accessible, and I will start my Tomcat again. So you can see valid default ORDS is loaded. Now I will, if check it with the 9090 port, it will not loading, but the actual port is now 9091. This is the second. Our final URL is this. For the third one, that is WebLogic deployment, we have to open the console. I have already shown everything in previous. I will add the link in the description how I have configured that with all the step and how I have covered all the errors that you may face during this installation configuration. So we will go to our admin server because I have deployed it on my admin server right now. So I will change the port from 7001 to 7043. I will save that changes, commit my changes, and I will just restart my WebLogic server. Let me add step quickly. You can see I have added, and I just stop my server and start my WebLogic server. And now if I check with 7001, it's no more showing my ORDS, and on 7043 it's loading quickly. So hope you like the video. If you have not seen my previous video, you can check that one. I will add the link in the description. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.